Next problem is find the center and radius of the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. General equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Center is minus g comma minus f and radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So now here given equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. Take 2 common. This is x square plus y square minus x by 2 is equal to 0. So compare this with the general equation of circle. Here in place of 2g we have minus 1 by 2 implies g is equal to minus 1 by 4. Here there is no by term implies 2f is equal to 0 implies f is equal to 0. Therefore center of circle is minus g comma minus f, that is 1 by 4 comma 0, and radius of circle is, that is r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Here g square is 1 by 16, f square is 0, c is also 0. Therefore 1 by root 16 is 1 by 4. That is the radius of the circle. Our next problem is, if a circle passes through the points 0, 0, a, 0, 0, b, then find the center. Find the center of the circle. Here given points 0, 0, a, 0, 0, b. General equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. First substitute 0, 0. This is, let this be 1. Sub 0, 0 in equation 1 implies 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0, implies c is equal to 0. Next sub a, 0 in 1 implies a square plus 0 plus 2ga plus 0 plus c is already 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore if we take, this is a square plus 2ga is equal to 0. If we take a common, a plus 2g is equal to 0. So cancel a plus 2g is equal to 0, implies g is equal to minus a by 2. Similarly, substitute the point 0, b in equation 1. 0 plus b square plus 0 plus 2fb plus 0 is equal to 0. Here take b common, b plus 2f is equal to 0. b plus 2f is equal to 0 implies f is equal to minus b by 2. Here f value is there, g value is there, c value is there. Substitute in equation 1. You will get the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2g, 2 into minus a by 2 into x plus 2fy, that is 2 into minus b by 2 into y plus c is 0, that is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Our next problem is, if one end of the diameter of circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 is 3 comma 4, then the other end is. Here equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Comparing with the general equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to minus 4 implies g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 6 implies f is equal to minus 3. Center of the circle is, center C is minus g comma minus f, that is 2 comma 3. So here given one end of the diameter 3 comma 4 is given. We need to find the other end x comma y. This is 2 comma 3. C is midpoint of diameter AB. A is given 3 comma 4. Let B is x comma y. C is 2 comma 3. Now midpoint means 3 plus x by 2 comma 4 plus y by 2 is equal to center 2 comma 3, implies 2 is equal to 3 plus x by 2 implies 3 plus x is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. 3 is equal to 4 plus y by 2 implies 4 plus y is equal to 6 implies y is equal to 6 minus 4 2. Therefore B is 1 comma 2 is the other end of the diameter. Our next problem is, find the equation of circle having center 1 comma minus 2 and passing through the point of intersection of lines 3x plus y is equal to 14, 2x plus 5y is equal to 18 is. Here given lines 3x plus y is equal to 14, that is minus 14 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2, x y 1 minus 14 3 1 5 minus 18 2 5. Cross multiply here, x by minus 18 plus 70, y by minus 28 plus 54, 1 by 15 minus 2. This is x by 52, y by 26, 1 by 13 implies x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Here given center of circle is, center C is 1 comma minus 2. A point on circle is, that is we already found, that is 4 comma 2. Implies radius r is equal to distance between C and A, that is root of 4 minus 1 square plus 2 plus 2 square, that is root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is root 25, that is equal to 5. Radius is 5. Therefore equation of circle having center C h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here center h comma k is given as 1 comma minus 2 and radius r is equal to 5. Therefore equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. You can simplify this, we will get the equation. Our next problem is the lines 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 are diameters of circle of area 154 square units. Find the equation of circle. Here given lines 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. First solve the two lines. Solving 1 and 2. X by 1 minus 3 minus 5, 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4. X by 21 minus 20, y by minus 15 plus 14, 1 by minus 8 plus 9. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. So given that these two lines are the diameters, implies their point of intersection is the center of the circle, that is 1 comma minus 1. And given area of circle is given as 154 square units, that is pi r square is equal to 154. Let us take pi is equal to 22 by 7, r square is equal to 154. 22 7 times cancel, r square is equal to 7 square implies r is equal to 7. Therefore equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here r is there, here center h comma k is there. Now substitute x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 7 square. Simplify this, you will get the equation of circle. Our next problem is Find the equation of circle. Equation of circle whose radius is 5 and which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Externally at the point 5 comma 5 is, so this is our required circle. It touches the another circle at the point 5 comma 5. They touch externally. This is 5 comma 5. This is C1. This is C2, center of the second circle. This is R1, that is 5. This is R2. So given x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. 2g is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1. 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2. Center of the second circle is minus g comma minus f, that is 1 comma 2. Radius of second circle is R2 is equal to g square plus f square minus root of 1 plus 4 plus 20, that is root 25, that is equal to 5. Here R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 5. Both circles touch each other externally at P 5 comma 5. Here C1 C2 P, this is 5, this is 5. Here P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2, that is 5 is to 5, that is 1 is to 1, implies 1 is to 1 means equal ratio, implies P is midpoint of C1 C2, implies C1 is equal to 2P minus C2. Midpoint formula, 2P is 2 into 5 minus C2 x coordinate is 1, that is 2 into 5 minus C2 y coordinate is 2, that is 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 2 8. Center of first circle is 9 comma 8 and radius of first circle is 5. Therefore equation of circle is x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 5 square is the equation of the first circle. Our next problem is a circle is concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0, and as area double that of its area, then the circle is Here given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to minus 6 implies g is equal to minus 3. 2f is equal to 12 implies f is equal to 6 implies center minus g minus f, that is 3 comma minus 6. Concentric means having same center. Now area, find the radius. Radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, root of 9 plus 36 minus 15 is 45 minus 15, that is equal to root 30. Now given that pi r1 square is equal to pi r2 square is equal to 2 pi r1 square. Let this be r1, let this be c1, that is here pi by gets cancelled. R2 square is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60. Now equation of required circle is equation of required circle. It has the same center. C2 also 3 comma minus 6. X minus 3 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to R2 square, that is 60. Equation of required circle. Expand this, you will get the answer. Our next problem is find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle which touches y-axis at 0 comma 3 and cuts intercept of 8 units with x-axis is so this is, let this be the circle. It touches y-axis at 0 comma 3 and makes intercept of 8 on x-axis. This is x, this is y. So here touching means the line passing through center, and this point is the normal which passes through the center. This is center, so this will be the midpoint. Here let this be AB. Here AB is equal to 8. D is midpoint of AB. Okay, implies AD is equal to PD is equal to 4. Here circle touches y-axis at 0 comma 3 implies AP is equal to 3, which is same as AP, not AP. CD is equal to 3 units. Here AC is equal to radius from triangle ACD. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, that is R square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. R square is equal to 25 implies R is equal to 5 is the required radius of the circle.